Tired of your Minecraft chat looking like a digital waterfall of command block notifications? No worries, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to silence those pesky command blocks and reclaim your chat window. First things first, we need to access the game settings where the magic happens. Hit the escape key or whatever button you use to open your in-game menu. Then click on the options button. This takes you to all sorts of tweakable settings. Now, find and click on chat settings. This is where we'll find the control for all things chat related, including our noisy command blocks. See that option labeled command block output? By default, it's set to shown, which is why you're seeing all those messages. Simply click on the command block output option to toggle it to hidden. That's it. Now, click done to exit the chat settings and click done again to return to your game. Voila! All those command block messages should have vanished from your chat. Your screen is now free of the command block clutter. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks. Now go forth and enjoy your cleaner, more peaceful Minecraft world.